Long day today, but something exciting popped up on my phone. There it is. So we shall have a little bit of an unboxing as soon as I get in my house. Hey. So this came in the mail today. Peter McKinnon, if you're watching, which you're probably not watching a little channel like mine, but Peter, if you're watching this is because of you. So basically guys, what's inside this box? Well, we'll find out in a minute. But what I want to talk to you guys about is storing your data. It's a big deal. Currently the way I do it right now, I have 1 million different hard drives and I'm constantly transferring data from one to the next just so that I have a backup and a redundant backup. Well, that's what is going to help me out inside this box. So let's have a look. Good old Amazon with their 2-day shipping. Definitely worth being a Prime member for sure. Inside here, exactly what I thought it was going to be in this big box is, the shoulder still hurts. Oh, boom. So I got myself a MyBook Duo, good size here. I have 8 gigabytes times 2, so that is, or terabytes, sorry, terabytes. So that 16 terabytes is pretty good. You don't get to use all that data because this is what they call RAID. And with a RAID drive, what's happening is you're backing up your data on one drive and it's automatically taking it to the next drive. Hence, Duo. So inside this guy, there are 2 hard drives. So not quite as advanced as some of the other ones out there, but this is much more affordable. I will put the link in the description below if you'd like to get yourself one of these MyBook Duos from Amazon. Definitely one of the best prices out there. I did some research, did some shopping, went through a couple different of my favorite channels, and believe it or not, even with employee discount at Best Buy, just kidding. This guy worked out to be the best price. Again, big shout out to Pete for making me buy one of these. He didn't make me. That's just what I told the wife. No, I'm just kidding. So one of the big reasons I purchased one of these drives here is we don't develop our photos anymore. So all of our photos are digital. We do have them backed up on the cloud, but we also have them backed up on portable hard drives. I happen to lose one of those portable hard drives, and for some reason a couple of the folders from many moons ago just disappeared. So I've now lost a bunch of photos. So having something like the MyBook Duo that's going to give you 2 hard drives inside, twice the protection, this is not going to be the only thing that I use. I will still have backups upon this. So always have about 4 backups. In this case, it's going to have 1 on each hard drive, plus another portable hard drive, plus the cloud. So that's giving you 4 backups of all your data. It's not like you can go, down into the basement and blow the dust off of the photo album anymore and pull it out. Most people don't develop their pictures, they're all digital. So that's the way that you operate, like most of the rest of us operate. Make sure that you get yourself something that you can back up your data. I mean, I have a newborn daughter, well, not newborn anymore, she's older, about 15 months old. And I've got a ton of photos of her, and I don't want to lose those photos and lose those memories. So having this is going to help me back those up and keep them for a very long time. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Make sure you smash that like button below, hit that subscribe button and that little bell to be notified when I upload new videos, and we will see you in the next one. Take it easy out there. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.